Hello and welcome to the very first episode of Fast Fridays. If you're new around here, my name is Gerrit and I make videos right here on YouTube about how to use Davinci Resolve. So, without any further ado, let's learn how to track using the Colors panel. Here we are inside of Davinci Resolve. We have a clip, and we need to stabilize it, because if it's not stable, the track is going to be harder. So all you do to stabilize is come over here to your inspector stuff, click on stabilization, and then click stabilize with your clip selected. That easy. Now we're going to pop into the colors panel where we're actually going to do our track. So we are going to be tracking this plant right here. So we're going to need to make a serial node, so Shift S while your node is selected, and then go ahead and grab your power windows, and then we're just going to rough draw a window around this thing right here, and then we're going to pop into the tracker, which is right next to the power windows, and we're going to track that forward. It's going to do its best there, and you can see that it kind of missed it at the end, so we'll just adjust it, boop, just like that. That's all you have to do for that, and now you can go ahead and grab a qualifier or something and then click in your colors, hit Shift H, you'll be able to see what you have selected. You can play with these to select or deselect different things, change the softness of your selections, and you can use this to apply LUTs to certain areas as well as applying color grades to certain areas or certain effects like blurs or things like that. So if you wanted everything in there to be blurred, you could just grab a Gaussian blur, drop it on that mask, and then if we watch what happens, it sticks with that plant as we go because we just tracked it. It's that easy to do tracking in the colors panel. Hope you guys enjoyed this here first episode of Fast Fridays. I'll see you on Thursday.